Okay, so now that we've got our business manager open and we've got an ad account, I did have to change that to Beast because it was Beat. I just only realized it when I stopped the recording. Let's actually get a pixel on our website. Now, a lot of people keep saying, or you might keep hearing the Facebook pixel, but what does it actually do? Okay, pixel is basically a bit of code that goes onto your website, and what it does is it tracks all of the behaviors of your customers and people who take actions on your website and reports it back to Facebook in the most simplistic way to explain how pixel actually works. Okay, so when you've got your adverts running and stuff like that, it will track people who actually landed on the product page, people who added to the cart, people who obviously purchased and stuff like that, and it will show you how much people pay for the product, and how much you're spending on adverts, and what we like to see is ROAS, so your return on investment, return on investment spent, basically. So let's actually create the pixel and get it put on our site. There's many ways you can do this with different apps and stuff like that, but the most simplest way I'll teach you in this way. In the full course, there will be a few different ways to actually get it up and running, but this is the most basic way on how to get a pixel on your website. So we want to head over to pixels on the left hand side and then hit add. Obviously you can call it whatever you want. So I'm just going to call this one the Beast Store Pixel. Click create, and that's going to start now creating our pixel. So we create our pixel and set up the pixel now. So let it do its work. Okay, let's all we need is the pixel ID, essentially, so that number there is what we need. So if we copy it to clipboard, we can obviously view this, but we're not going to manually do it. We are literally just going to use a tag. So if we click on that, click Shopify, and this here will tell you how to actually set it up with Shopify, which is exactly what we're going to do here. So as you can see, that is our pixel code there. So let's copy it, head over to our store, and if we go down to online store, preferences, head down, and you can see it says Facebook pixel. Right click in there, paste, and hit save. And that is basically how you install your pixel. What we want to do is obviously double check to make sure it's on there. So go to your home page, and if you get a Facebook pixel helper, which is, you can literally just Google this Chrome extension. It's literally just called Facebook pixel helper. You Google it, I'll show you it now actually. So Facebook pixel helper Chrome extension, you can see it at the top here. And all we've got to do is just add that to Chrome. Okay, now once you've got that in Chrome, it will pop up in the top right hand corner, and as you can see down here, Facebook pixel installed, one pixel found. So you can see page view there. If you actually click on to a product, view it, you can see that we've actually got some more information here as well. Don't worry about that. That's for more technical stuff in terms of actually setting up a catalog and all those sorts of things, which again I'll cover in my full course. But you'll still get reporting and stuff like that, so there's no problem about that. So you can still see the view content if we add it to our cart as well. As you can see, add to cart as well is also there. And then obviously when people actually purchase stuff as well, that will also flash up as well. So it is all working. Even though you do see these warnings here, don't worry about it. It is still tracking your information and stuff like that. So that is how you set up the Facebook pixel. Again, really simple, really easy. So let's move on and keep things moving.